Hi, my name is Jenna Taylor and I'm here from Panda Paper. We are a new innovative brand that strives to give consumers sustainable and reliable paper products without harming any trees in the process. With global warming, deforestation, and other environmental crises looming, we want to make bamboo-based paper the new norm. As a brand, we want to raise awareness about how our environment is negatively affected by everyday items, and we want to prove that eco-friendly products don't have to be a luxury. Our campaign will focus on the natural beauty of Earth and what could happen to it if we don't make necessary changes. Our target audience is adults between the ages of 18 and 55, predominantly single or unmarried young adults and middle-aged married couples with or without children. We want to target suburban/metropolitan families, preferably middle class. We especially want to target people who use social media consistently, specifically Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Our main goal is to make people aware of our brand, and our primary objective for the year is to increase total sales by at least 10%. To track our progress towards this goal, we'll record our profits at the end of each quarter to make sure there's growth. Our secondary objectives for the year are to increase website traffic by 15% and to gain 2,000 followers across all of our social media platforms. Our social strategy has 3 objectives as well. Our primary goal is to have at least 15% of our online sales prompted by our social media channels. Our other objectives are to gain active followers and to maintain around a 3% engagement rate on all of our posts. To reach these goals, we will track user activity on our site to see where they come from and if they made a purchase, as well as keep record of all of our social media following and the number of likes, comments, shares, and reactions that we are receiving. Facebook and Instagram will predominantly be used for business-to-consumer marketing, as we'll be able to more easily target individuals on these platforms, and LinkedIn will be more targeted towards business-to-business marketing, with the hope that Panda Paper can supply corporations with paper products as well as individuals. For our paid ad strategy, we plan to use a combination of pay-per-click and paid social advertising channels. It would be most effective to use Google Ads, Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram, and LinkedIn. For this strategy, we have 2 main objectives, which are we want at least 10% of users who visit our site to follow through with a purchase, and we want to lead at least 50 new customers to our site each month through paid search ads. Our pay-per-click ads will be targeted using keywords that we have tested on WordStream, and our goal is to increase conversions. We plan to attract the majority of our consumers through our social media platforms, as we'll be able to target people based on their demographics and interests to draw in customers that are more likely to convert. Our inbound strategy will be a combination of our social and paid strategies, but our focus will be 100% on the customer and nurturing sales. For our sample content, we will be producing blog posts, podcasts, YouTube videos, and content offers. For blog posts, we'll discuss a number of issues and topics relating to our environment and why bamboo paper is more sustainable than wood-based paper. Our podcast will be conversations of environmental and global news. Our YouTube will feature videos of real-life people using our products and giving their honest opinions, and our content offers will solidify our inbound strategy. Our paid media budget will be $100,000, with about 60% going to social ads and 40% going to search engine marketing. Almost half of our social budget will go towards Facebook ads, as the most people are on this platform. The rest will be split between Instagram and LinkedIn. This will allocate around $7,000 per month on paid ads. Panda Paper will be efficiently and sustainably produced to give our customers reliable products at the best prices. Through in-depth research regarding our marketing strategy, we were able to compile a deep understanding of our target market and the most effective methods to reach them. We believe Panda Paper could become a top competitor by giving consumers affordable products that make them feel more fulfilled when purchasing. Thank you.